Function machines. Function machines have an input, an output, and in between those some mathematical operations. Let's have a look at an example. So here we've got two inputs and we need to work out the corresponding output. So let's start with 7 and put that into the machine. So 7 add 5 gives 12, then divide that by 2, that's 6, so that's our first output. Now let's try with 14. So 14 add 5, that's 19, divide that by 2, that's 9.5, and that's our second output. This next question is harder. We're told the outputs and we need to work out the input, so we need to do this one backwards. So start with 29 as an output. Let's spin the machine around though, but we must be careful with the operations. So the inverse of subtract 1 is add 1, and the inverse of multiply 3 is divide 3. So 29 add 1, that's 30, then divide by 3, that's 10. So that's our first input. And let's try again with negative 13, add 1 to that gets you negative 12, divide that by 3 gets you negative 4, so that's our next input. So when machines are going backwards, you need to be careful to make sure you use the inverse operation.